Can you open the window? Can you open the window? She loves reading books. She loves reading books. I don't understand the question. I don't understand the question. They live near the park. They live near the park. It's time to go. It's time to go. He's very friendly. He's very friendly. We should leave now. We should leave now. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? She's wearing a red dress. She's wearing a red dress. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. The kids are playing outside. The kids are playing outside. He didn't come to work today. He didn't come to work today. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? We visited the museum yesterday. We visited the museum yesterday. She has two brothers. She has two brothers. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. I like to listen to music. I like to listen to music. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. He's watching TV. He's watching TV. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? She always wakes up early. She always wakes up early. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. He has a nice car. He has a nice car. Can I help you? Can I help you? I work from home. I work from home. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. We love this place. We love this place. Please close the door. Please close the door. She speaks 4 languages. She speaks 4 languages. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. We're late for the bus. We're late for the bus. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. He's reading a newspaper. He's reading a newspaper. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. They are very friendly. They are very friendly. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? We're ready to start. We're ready to start. I miss my family. I miss my family. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. She looks happy today. She looks happy today. Everything is okay now. Everything is okay now. Please speak louder. Please speak louder. He works every weekend. He works every weekend. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. We have a small garden. We have a small garden. He forgot his umbrella. He forgot his umbrella. This chair is broken. This chair is broken. I love your idea. I love your idea. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Let's try again. Let's try again. He's brushing his teeth. He's brushing his teeth. I want to learn more. I want to learn more. The coffee is too hot. The coffee is too hot. She's afraid of the dark. She's afraid of the dark. I forgot your name. I forgot your name. They arrived on time. They arrived on time. It's too noisy here. It's too noisy here. He needs a break. He needs a break. Where is the nearest bank? Where is the nearest bank? Let me show you. Let me show you. She left early. She left early. I didn't understand the question. I didn't understand the question. He's not at home. He's not at home. Let's stay in tonight. Let's stay in tonight. I hope you feel better. I hope you feel better. I need to think about it. I need to think about it. She's talking on the phone. She's talking on the phone. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? The room is clean and quiet. The room is clean and quiet. She's waiting for the bus. She's waiting for the bus. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? We often go for a walk. We often go for a walk. This jacket is too big. This jacket is too big. I feel tired today. I feel tired today. She's brushing her hair. She's brushing her hair. I have a question. I have a question. He's cleaning the kitchen. He's cleaning the kitchen. Do you like this movie? Do you like this movie? I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? He's learning to drive. He's learning to drive. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? They're planning a trip. They're planning a trip. The light is on. The light is on. It's raining again. It's raining again. We're having dinner now. We're having dinner now. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. She cooked a delicious meal. She cooked a delicious meal. We stayed at a nice hotel. We stayed at a nice hotel. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. She's afraid to speak in public. She's afraid to speak in public. I usually take the bus to work. I usually take the bus to work. He wants to learn French. He wants to learn French. Let's go for a coffee. Let's go for a coffee.